In this second part of the video, we are going to learn the trial balance part. So we are going to make the if or condition in order to get the trial balance. If C5 equals capital or income. So if for any condition, in case it's capital or income or liability, in that case E5 minus D5. So C5 equals income. So nature of account either capital or income or liabilities, comma, or C5 equal liabilities. In that case E5 minus D5, that means credit minus debit. Else D5 minus, that means in case as asset or expense, in that case it would be debit minus credit. See how it's work. So drag it, let's see. In that asset, fixed asset 2000 minus, that is credit minus debit, the first one. See how it's work. Now go to journal entry. We can add one more entry here. I'm adding here, put one date, one invoice number, it's we can select, yeah, the Vba expense. It's debit, it's 2000 as debit. Copy this part, paste it here, and credit as, this should be cash. I'm crediting cash from here and adding here 2000, not 20,000, it's 2000. Let's go to trial balance. We can see here in our trial balance. So our trial balance is over. Now we need to make the GL account balance in journal entry. So I have made the data list here. So already I made this one sum if. I'm going to remove it, this one, and adding the new one here. So we can see here in the sum if we learned on the last video. This is we have three arguments are inside, one with the range, second one criteria, and the third one sum range. So I can remove this, the old one, and I can make it new one. So these are our balance. That balance should replace here, should display here. So sum if bracket and our condition A5 to A29, that is our range. Select that range, press F4 and fix it, comma, the condition should be K3. So no need K2 to K4, just remove the other cell number, just make it as K3 here, and sum range sum range in the, go to trial balance sheet where we can find the sum range. So go to here, we have a balance here, select this balance, close the bracket, fix it and close the bracket. So we have got the, see, when we change the each GL account, we will get the balance. For example, cash, this much we have. Go to trial balance, see our balance here. We change to capital account, see, 500,000. For example, furniture, see, it's 2,000. Check in the trial balance, it's perfect. So we will get the, we learned this in this video, the if for function. Using if for function we got the balance of the trial balance, and GL account balance also we got it through sum if functions. So we can make it, already explained in the last video. We can make it that validation, go to data and data validation, where we, in the list, we can select this part. So select this part and press OK, so that we will get this list. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.